Hi, my name is Tim. In this video we are going to look at a very useful feature in Zoho Writer for bloggers. The ability to post a document to your WordPress.com blog. The feature is located in the Tools tab under Post to Blog. This will link you to the WordPress.com website. You can publish a new blog entry directly from Zoho Writer or manage multiple websites through links to your WordPress.com sites. This video will focus on the WordPress.com tool in Writer. It will not go into much detail about how to edit a WordPress site. This video will cover the following: adding new sites, the Publish tab, the Publish button, the Draft button, and the Manage tab. You can watch this video from beginning to end. If you're watching this in a web browser on a computer, you can click on one of the links to my right to go to that section of the video. If you're watching through the YouTube app on a phone or tablet, you don't have this option. There will be a link throughout this video to return you to this point video where you can choose another item from the list. Click on the three lines in the top left corner of the window. Click on the Tools tab, then click the WordPress button under Post to Blog. This opens a Post to Blog pane. Click the Add New Site button. This opens a login page for WordPress. Enter your login information. After you have entered your login information and click the login button, you will be taken to an approval page. This allows Zoho to view user information, data such as username, name, email, blog, and gravatar, view and manage posts, including reblogs and likes, view and manage a post comments, view and manage a site's tags and categories, follow and unfollow blogs, view and manage a user's notifications, view stats for a site, manage a site's media library, view and manage a site's menus. These are permissions you give Zoho Writer. Really, the only two things you can do through Writer is publish the article to WordPress or save it to your website as a draft. So what you want to do is choose the website from the drop-down menu. I will choose Pet Fans, and then click the Approve button. After authorizing, this brings you back to the Post to Blog pane. There are two tabs, Publish and Manage. The Publish tab allows you to publish the document you are working on or submit it to your WordPress website as a draft. First, you can replace the blog title with a title that's more catchy, because right now it's the same as the name of the document. So I will type in a new a blog title. enter categories. You can separate multiple categories with commas. Um, you can create new categories simply by typing them into the text box, and this will add categories to your WordPress website. So let me go ahead and do that. Note, by default, blogs will be published to your front page. If you desire to create a more traditional website, here's the WordPress support page that explains the steps. The link to this website is in the description for the video. If you are ready to post the document for the world to see, click the publish button. If you want to preview it in your WordPress site and edit it before publishing it, click the draft button. I will demonstrate both. This article has a picture of a dog and a table in it, so I can show you how these two types of elements look when published to a WordPress website. So I've set up the blog title I want and the categories. So now I click the publish button, and after a short while after it processes, a dialog appears telling me it was successful and giving me buttons to a button to view the post. So I go ahead and click that, and it opens my WordPress website to the published page for this article, and you can see it, and it's published for the world to see. As you can see, it's pretty good, except that if you notice that the text to the right of the picture and the right side of this photo don't have any space between them, run together, so it's different than it's in the the article that I wrote, the document. There was space, but it did not include any space. And if you notice, the table runs over the column, so it is not perfect. And this is the reason why it may be important, if you have these kind of elements, to click draft before publishing the document. Now let's look what happens when the draft button is clicked. This cat article is like the dog one, has an image and a table. And like the dog one, I have changed the blog title and added some categories. Now I will click the draft button. After it saves, I see the same dialog that appeared when I clicked the publish button. I click the view draft button. This opens a new tab to a preview of the post. Click the edit button to edit the post. To edit the blog. And this is where you can make various kinds of edits, change the tags, and eventually click the publish button when you're ready for the world to see it. The Manage tab gives links to WordPress.com websites that you added. It also gives the option to add another site or delete one from the Writer Post to Blog pane. To add a site, click the Add New Site button. This procedure was covered earlier in the video. To remove a blog, move the cursor over the one you wish to remove and click the X on the right side of it. This video has been about the Zoho Writer tool that allows you to post to and manage WordPress.com blogs. Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe to OS College channel box and check out my other videos on YouTube.